Better?
Okay, so Vishnu, today we are moving to a topic, and the topic name is the mole concept. Okay, so before I proceed, so you should know one thing. In the chemistry, I told you the fundamental units, if you notice, right? Seven fundamental units. So in these seven fundamental unit, the amount of substance was the one. Okay,
Yes.
out of those seven. So an amount of substance is made. You said that they kg or gram something.
Math.
Then I said is the mole. Okay, so in the chemistry we usually measure the
Mhm.
amount in a mole. Okay, so now what does it mean actually? If if I have helium, if I have hydrogen gas, if I have NaCl, so actually how much amount you are taking, it depends on the mole. If I say I have like I have a helium, so if I am writing this, it is a 1 mole. If I am
Mhm.
writing this, I have 3 helium, so it is a 3 mole of helium. If I am
Okay.
writing it like as a 5 helium, so it is a 5 mole of helium. Same thing if you have a NaCl, suppose, common salt, sodium chloride. So if it is 1, obviously in front it is 1 now. So it is a 1 NaCl. Same thing if I'm saying 5 NaCl, so it is a 5 mole of NaCl. Okay? 5
Mhm.
mole of, so whatever you have to see the coefficient, the front thing, that is the actually mole. Okay? And you should know whatever you have, if it is 1 mole, so 1 mole always contains 6.022 10 ki power 23 number of atoms or the molecule. Okay,
Okay.
atoms or molecules. So why I like, obviously, like if I'm writing helium, so helium, 1 mole of helium, it means it is the, okay, Avogadro number is represented as a Na. Na means 6.022 10 to the power 23. So if it is 1 mole, so it contains 1 Na. 1 Na means 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms.
Wait, that means. Wait, that means 1 mole of helium is equal to 1 mole of hydrogen too, right?
But yeah, 1 mole is same, but the number of see, one second. The atom size will be different, na?
Uh, I
Atom,
see.
because hydrogen size is smaller, helium size is larger. Okay,
Okay,
so the
I see.
amount, so the kg, the gram amount will be different. Yeah, in the chemistry wise, both are 1 mole, 1 mole. Both have the same number of atom. But if you measure it in gram, na, so 1 mole of hydrogen will measure lesser gram, and 1 mole of helium will be higher gram. Okay, so in the
Okay.
gram, the weight will be different, but in the chemistry, mole will remain the same. Number of atom will remain the same.
Okay.
Same thing if you have a 3 mole of helium. So it means 3 into Avogadro number. Because if 1 mole contain that much number, so 3 mole contain, 3 mole contain 3 into Na. Na means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can just do it. So you, because it is the one single element, so you have to say atoms only. Atoms only. But when I say it is a nitrogen gas, it is a molecule, nitrogen gas, then you have, if I am saying it is a 1 mole of nitrogen gas, and how many, and no atoms, you don't have to say now. Now you have to say molecules. Okay, because it is N2 na, so now you have to say molecule. Fine. So you have to say Na molecules are there,
Okay.
because it is molecule. So now, Vishnu, I guess you know the basic weight of the various elements. So I just want to show you. Just give me 1 second. So I am showing you the atomic weight, because it will definitely help you. Okay, to like find out the number of atom. 1 second, just. Just 1 minute. Yeah, so these are the most common one, I guess, on the right side. I'm just showing you. I'm just showing you. At the right side, you have to zoom it. Can you just see that? At my right side, at your right side as
Yeah.
well. Okay, so you can just see that I'm just switching off
No,
so that you can
I
see.
can't see anything.
You can't see anything at the right
Oh yeah,
side.
yeah, I can.
Yeah, so you can see
Yeah.
hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. So I mean the atomic mass is also 1. It's for the
Yes.
hydrogen. Helium atomic number is 2. Like atomic number is increasing regularly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But atomic
It's like
mass,
kind like twice the atomic number.
mostly, but not every
Yeah.
time. Mostly. Like,
Close.
yeah, yeah, close. Like helium is completely following 2 to become 4 atomic mass. But lithium, it is mostly like 1 greater than the twice. Mostly time,
Yeah.
it is like 1. Like lithium is 3, but it is 7, not 6. Beryllium is
Lithium
4, but
beryllium
it is 9.
boron is 2n plus 1.
Hmm. So right now on the spot, learn it. Right now. You have 1 minute only. Your time starts now.
All of them?
Hmm. All of them, yes. I guess 20 tak you already know, na? Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. You have to just make it double. But mostly the exception you have to learn. Like sodium, it is 11 and 23. Like aluminium, it is 13 and 27.
Yeah. Argon's 40, which is plus 4.
Hmm.
Mm. And then potassium is plus 1.
Argon,
Phosphorus is
remember,
plus 1.
argon and
Okay.
calcium, they both have the same atomic mass. But the
Okay.
atomic number is different. You remember they are the actually isobars, don't you think? Because isobars
The
are those na which have the same atomic number but different atomic, which have the same atomic mass but different
yes.
atomic number. So argon and calcium, these two are
Yeah.
the atomic masses. I mean these are the isobars, argon
Yes.
and calcium. Hydrogen,
Yeah.
helium, lithium, beryllium, you have to learn all these masses because without learning these masses, you won't be able to do the questions. So you have to learn it strictly.
Okay, I think I have all of them.
Okay, good.
I think I have them. I think I do.
Okay, fine. Fine. I guess now you can do it, right? Oh my God. 1 second, just.
Do what?
Whenever I ask you anything, so you can tell me, right?
Let's try it now.
Okay, fine. Okay. So now I am moving towards the mole concept, which is the like very important concept, and yeah. So let's start with the same. Okay. You have learned all the masses because these are the essential one. Now let's come to the
Yeah.
topic. So I told you whenever you have anything, so you have to calculate their mole. If you know their mole, so you can easily find out their number of atoms or the molecules. Okay, so I told you if you have
Mm-hmm.
1 mole of anything, so 1 mole contain 1 Avogadro number. If you have 5 moles, so 5 Avogadro number. If you have half mole, 0.5 mole, so it is Na by 2. Half Avogadro number, right? Very right. Okay. If I say, okay, just tell me, Vishnu, if I am writing here 1 mole of hydrogen, if I am writing 1 mole of lithium, if I am writing 1 mole of nitrogen, or if I am writing 1 mole of sodium, are they same?
What
Yeah,
do you mean? Are they the same?
I mean they have the same mole, right? but
Oh yeah.
they have the same mass. They have the same
No, they
mass.
don't.
Yeah, they don't have the same mass. So if I ask you, can you just tell me the mass of hydrogen? Like 1 mole of hydrogen, how much mass it has?
6.0.
What?
Oh wait, it's
6.0.
just two. Sorry, it's just two.
One second, Vishnu. Hydrogen
It's
has
one.
only,
One.
yeah. Hydrogen has only one, so it is 1 mole.
One.
So you will say 1 gram only, right? 1 mole of hydrogen means 1 gram only.
Okay.
Lithium. What was the weight
Okay.
for 1 mole?
7 grams.
Yes. Very 7 gram. Okay. So 1 mole contains 7 gram. Okay. What is the mass of nitrogen in 1 mole of nitrogen?
14 grams.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, very right, Vishnu. And 1 mole of Na, I mean the sodium it is.
Oh, 23.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, Vishnu, fine. Yeah, you are completely right. Okay, now, many teachers ask or many students ask, sir, uh, all are 1 mole. So, sir, why they have different masses? Like the all okay, just tell me,
Oh, it's be-
all have the same number of atom, yes or no? All have the same
yeah.
number of atom because all are the 1 mole. So all have the same number of
Yeah.
atom, all have the 1 mole, but still they have different mass. So how is it possible? How is it possible that they have
Because the mass of the atom is different.
that is my question. Why they have the different masses? That is my question only.
Oh, they're different elements
Why they have different mass? My question is this. Different element,
because they have
okay.
different properties. Different properties.
Or like what?
They're different states of matter too. They're
Can
different
we
states of
say,
matter.
no. Can we say because their one atomic size is different? Because
Yeah,
see,
sure.
for the hydrogen atom is like only one shell and one electron. For the lithium, it
Yeah.
has two shell. Okay, one like two electron in the inner and one electron in the outer. If I talk about, oh my God, I can
Yeah.
hear some voices. Okay, fine. So two electron in the first shell
Oh,
and
you know.
five electron in the second shell, right? Because it is 7 nitrogen. And if I talk about sodium, sodium has the three shells, 1, 2, and 3. So can you just see size? Okay.
Sorry, is it too
Eh,
annoying? Okay, I'll.
no, it's fine. I can understand. I can clearly understand, it's family thing. Okay, so yeah, so it's like size is increasing now. So if size is increasing, so of course weight is also increasing now. Very simple it is. Okay, it is something like suppose I am giving you what should I give you? I am giving you, okay, I am giving you a chocolate, okay, and that chocolate is of 1 gram. So 1 gram chocolate size is very small. But if I am saying,
Yes.
if I am giving the like same one chocolate of lithium, but one chocolate of lithium is like this. So that's why it is 7 gram. It is 1 gram. But if I'm giving you one chocolate which is made up of nitrogen, so it is quite larger. This one chocolate size is
Yeah.
larger. That's why it is like 14 gram. But the number remain the same, na 1 mole, and the atom inside that it
Mm-hmm.
is also the same. 1 mole of sodium is very much larger chocolate. It is something like that, right? So they have different
Yeah.
atoms, atomic size. That's why their weight is also different, but their number will remain the same. Okay, just tell me, Vishnu, if there are
I
two
see.
rooms, there are two rooms in one room, 10 babies are there. 10 babies. Okay, 10 small babies. Babies are small, obviously. And in one other room there are 10 adult people. So just tell me which room has the higher weight? First
The
one.
adult one.
Yeah, the
The
other
one with
one,
the
second one,
adults.
obviously because the size is larger now, because they are adult people, adult. And
Yeah.
in the first one, like babies are there, but the number is same, yes or no? So number is same,
Oh
but their
yeah, yeah,
size is
yeah.
different. That's why this difference is coming. Got it? And both are one mole.
Yes.
One mole means one room. So in the one room, one weight is smaller because they contain babies only, and one weight is very larger. Okay, and number is still same. So I'm just trying to give the analogy so that you can understand and relate all these things. Okay, now Vishnu, if I say here, okay, lithium has 7 gram. So Vishnu, if I am saying you, if I am giving you 28 gram of lithium, so can you tell me how many moles
Mm-hmm.
lithium have?
28.
20,
Oh, is that, wait, no.
if I have
28. Sorry, go ahead.
28 gram of lithium, so how many moles it has?
4.
Okay, because you are thinking if 7 gram making 1 mole, so obviously 28 gram is making 4 mole, right? 7 4 ja 28, right?
Is that wrong?
No, you are right.
That's
You are right.
wrong.
No, you are
Oh,
right.
okay.
You are right completely. But okay, so
Okay.
I want to make a formula, whatever you just thought. Okay, so can we say 7 is 1 mole, so 7 4 ja 28, so obviously 4 is like 4 mole it has. So how this 4 mole came?
Okay.
Okay, so it's a formula actually. See, it is a given mass upon molar mass. Given mass means for how much I am asking, and what is the mass of 1 mole. It is known as a molar mass. So obviously, how you just got the 4? So
I
given
see.
mass is 28, right? Given mass. And what is the mass of 1 mole of lithium? It is 7. So when you just divide
Oh,
it, so you are
7 grams.
you are getting the 4 na. So that is your 4 mole.
4
Okay.
moles.
So how can we find out the mole? Given mass divided by molar mass.
Molar mass.
So by using
Yeah.
this formula, you can quickly find out. Because every time you can't relate, na? Every time. Suppose if I have asked you 32 gram of lithium, then it would be little difficult, na? Because it is not making the table now. Like 7 4 ja 28 and 7 5 ja 35. So now it is coming in middle, right? It is something like 4.4, 4.5, isn't it? Are you
Yeah.
getting? So it means, so you always
It's
have
like
to
4
do.
point. It's like 4 point something more.
Yeah. So actually, for how much I am asking? For 32. So you have to write above given mass. And what is the molar mass? Again 7. So now you have to divide it. So how much you will get? So 7, 4 point, and then 4 is coming. So it is 4.6 something, right?
Yeah.
Uh, Okay, so this is how we can find out. So how much moles are there in 32 gram of lithium? You will say 4.6.
4.6.
And if I have asked you how many atoms are there, then
Wait, how many atoms?
yeah, atoms. So you know it. 1 mole
It's the
contain
same. It's
same
32.
what? No,
Yeah,
Vishnu.
it's 30.
1 mole. A second, Vishnu. 1 mole contain 6.022 to 10 to the power 23 atoms, right? Right, which is known as a Na.
Yeah.
So obviously, if it is 4.6, so don't you think 4.6 into 6.0 to 10 to the power 23? If 1 mole
Is the number
contain
of
that,
atoms.
yeah. So 4.6 into 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. Because if 1 mole contain that much, so obviously 4.6
Oh.
mole contain that much 4.6 into this. Very simple.
Okay,
If
so
I have asked you
it's the
for 10
molar mass.
moles, if it is 10 moles, so you have to say 10 into 6.0 to 10 to the power 23. If you know the number of moles, just divide it by, just multiply it by Avogadro number. Simple.
Okay, so it's the number of moles times Avogadro's number.
Yeah.
Oh.
Number of moles into Avogadro number, you will get the total number of atoms.
I'm still wait. Can you like go over what a mole is again, just to make sure I have it right?
I have to tell you this one.
No, no, no. Just like it's just summarize it because I want to make sure I have it correct.
Okay. Oh, actually, when we do the questions now, then you will get the better idea when we cover the questions. Okay, but don't worry. See, the mole we can find
Oh,
out
okay. Yeah.
by using the mole. Mole formula, if you know the number of moles, you can do everything. So firstly, find out the mole, given mass upon molar mass. Given mass, they will ask you for how much mole you have, for how much gram you have to find out the mole. And molar mass you already know, as I showed you the table. That is the molar mass. Molar mass is only for the 1 mole, right? Which you just saw on the table, isn't it? So that is the molar mass.
Yeah.
So given mass upon molar mass, you will get the number of moles. 1 mole contain Na atoms. Na means Avogadro number. 1 mole contain Na atoms. So whatever the mole you have, that will become that much only. Okay, just tell me if I am saying that thing now. 1 mole contain Na atoms. Na means Avogadro number.
Yeah.
So if I am saying it is 5 moles, so it will become how much? If 1 mole contain
5
Na,
Na.
yeah, 5 into Na. So same thing here. How much mole you just got? Suppose if I say 4.6 mole, then it will become how much?
4.6 into Na.
Yeah, very simple. So that is how you can find out the atoms. Very simple it is. Okay.
Well, Na is Avogadro's number, right?
Yeah, 6.022 into 10 ki power 23. Very, very huge number. Because atoms are very, very small. Now you have to see it by microscopes. Like very small, very, very, very small it is. Okay.
So,
Hmm.
Avogadro's number is a big number.
Yeah, yeah. Avogadro number, it contains a like billions, like huge number it is. 10 raised to power 23. Very huge number. So 1 mole, because it is very small in nature, na? Atoms, can you see it by your eyes? Atoms. Obviously no, na?
No.
So that's why. Okay, got it now? I guess yes.
Yeah, I'm still. I mean, I'm still a bit iffy on like why, like, what's the purpose of Avogadro's number? Like, what's this like? Why, like, what's the significance of the 6.022 times 10 to
If
the power
I
of
have,
23? I still
if
haven't understood that
एक
yet.
second. If I have 28 gram of lithium in my hand, yeah, on my hand, 28 gram of lithium. So I can easily say I have that much number of atoms on my hand. You can find
Yes.
out the how much number of atoms in your hand. So you can simply
Yeah.
calculate. 28 means 4 moles, 4 moles means 4 into Na. So that is the number of atoms. That is the significance. Whatever, like if I have this cup, and inside this cup there is like sodium, and this sodium weight is 46 gram. Suppose if I'm saying in this cup, I have just measure. So I have just to measure, and I just saw I have 46 gram of sodium in it. Okay, I'm
Okay.
just looking at this. So now somebody is asking how much atoms of sodium it has, how much number of atoms. So obviously, for finding the number of atom, you should have the mole. You should have the
Mhm.
mole now. So you know it very well. What is the formula of mole? Given mass upon molar mass. What is the given
Yes.
mass?
28.
What is the given mass? Given mass.
Oh, 46?
Given mass is what I am asking for. What is given in the
40,
question? And what is
46.
what is the molar mass? Molar mass for 1 mole?
Is that sodium?
Yeah, sodium it is
Oh,
Na.
23.
23. So when you just divide, so you will get the 2,
2.
right? So how much mole it has in my cup? How much mole of sodium I
2
have?
times Avogadro's.
Uh, I'm
2 times
asking. I'm
Avogadro's number.
asking mole. You are telling me the atoms.
Oh, 2
Why?
mole. 2
Yeah, it
mole.
has how much moles? 2 moles. Fine. But now if I say how many atoms, so obviously, so 2 into 6.022 10 ki power 23. That much number of atoms. So when you multiply, you will get like 12 something, na? 12 point
Yeah,
something,
but
12.044 into 10 ki power 23. That much number
but
of atoms. So atoms in my cup. Yes, 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 say.
but doesn't one atom of sodium weigh 23 grams? Or is it 23 milligrams or something?
Milligram? No.
No, like, wait, atomic mass is measured in what? Grams or something? Or
Yeah,
grams?
gram,
So one
gram.
atom, is it one atom or one molecule of um, sodium that
Ek second.
is 23
You
grams?
you you are asking for the one atom
Yeah.
mass. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
एक second, Vishnu. Okay. You know it, you know it. One mole of sodium is containing how much gram? 23 gram, right? And that 23 gram
Yeah.
containing 6.022 into 10 ki power 23 atoms, right? Okay. So for that much atom, weight is becoming 23 gram. So obviously, if you want to find out for the for one atom, so you have to divide it. 23 gram upon 6.022. It is a unitary method. Very simple. When you divide it, then you will get your answer. It will become like very small value, very, very small. If I am saying, uh, so many students from the 23 gram weight, and if you want to find out for one, so you have to divide na total weight upon with that total number. You will get the weight of
Yeah.
one for one person. That is I'm doing. So for so many
Okay.
atoms, this is the weight. So for one atom, so obviously you have to divide it. You will get the one atom mass. Very simple. Got it?
Yeah.
Different atoms have the different mass because they have different size. Hydrogen size is
Right. Makes
different,
sense.
lithium size is okay. Got it now? Very simple. Okay. Now. Oh, okay.
Sorry. That was fun.
So now suppose if I'm saying Vishnu, I'm starting with
Yeah.
the questions, okay? So number of atoms, calculate the number of atoms and the molecules. Molecules I am also asking, okay? I will tell you how can we find out, okay? Because it is your initial state, now you are just learning the things. It is not your exam. You have to
Right.
learn how we have to do it. 64 gram of S8 molecule. This is the sulfur molecule S8. Okay, so now how can we do it, Vishnu? Like they are asking first atoms and molecules. I will tell you how we find out the molecules. See, firstly, Vishnu, it is S8. If it is S8, so just tell me naturally we have to find out the atoms or the molecules. I told you initially. If it is N2, if it is O2, so we usually get what? Atoms or the molecules?
Atoms.
Whenever I told you, Vishnu. One second. I
Oh wait,
told you.
are you talking about like wait, repeat the question.
Yeah. Wait a second. एक second just. I'm showing you something. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. You remember? Oh my God, some crackers are there. Okay. Yeah. So Vishnu, can you just see this line? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Vishnu, can you hear?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. I wrote here N2, right? So just tell me N2 is element or N2 is
Yes.
molecule?
A
Molecule.
molecule.
Yes, so I told you now one molecule contain Na, and Na will not give you the atom, Na will give you the molecule because it is itself a molecule.
Yeah.
I told you. So oh
Yes.
my God,
Yes,
some
yes.
crackers are there. I am hearing some sound. Dum dum. Okay.
I don't know either. I think I don't
Okay,
know.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so whenever there is a molecule, so you will get the molecules, not the atoms first. Okay. So firstly, you will get the
Right.
molecules by the nature because it is acid. Acid is a molecule. Oh my God, again. Okay. So one sulfur weight is how much? One sulfur weight. Do you know? Do you have any idea what is
Yeah.
the? Yeah, can you just tell me then? I showed you the table, if you remember.
32, 32, 32,
Are you sure?
32.
Yeah, you are completely right. It is 32.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, if it is 32, so it is what is the molar mass? Oh my God, I'm hearing some sound
Um,
at your backside. Okay,
molar mass of
of S8. Yeah, so it is S8, na? S8. So 8 into 32. So 8 into 32, how much molar mass it will become? Can we say 256?
yes.
Because it is a 1 for 1 sulfur, it is 32. So for S8, it will become 8 into 32. So it will become 256 gram. So it means, can we say 1 mole of S8? Can we say
Mm-hmm.
1 mole of acid contain 256? Because
Yes.
molar mass is always for 1 mole, na? Molar mass is
Mm-hmm.
always for the 1 mole. So 1 mole of acid contain 256 gram. Okay, and for how much they are asking? For how much they are asking in the question?
Hello?
Vishnu, Vishnu, are you there?
Yeah.
For how much
I'm
gram
here.
of,
My
okay, so 64 gram of acid they are asking. So now you have to find the exact number of mole. So that is the 1 mole. You already know that. So for, if you want to find out mole, what is the formula? Given mass upon molar mass. So
given
given
us.
how
Yeah.
much given, how much given we have to take as per question?
256 grams.
It is given
Oh,
mass.
64 grams. 64, sorry.
And what is the molar mass?
256.
Yes, 256 molar mass is for 1 mole. Yes, 256. So now how much mole you will get? How much mole?
1/4. 1/4.
Are you sure? It is 1 by 4th?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so it is the 1 by 4 mole only. So it means you have the 1 by 4 mole only. So if they are asking the molecules, so if they are asking molecules, so it will become, if
Mm-hmm.
1 mole contain, you know it, if 1 mole contain how much like Avogadro molecules, because it is a molecule na, Na molecules, Na means Avogadro number. So just
Yeah.
tell me, so 1 by 4 mole
Yeah.
contain how much? So 1 by 4
Six.
contain how much?
6.
1 by 4
One
into
fourth.
Na.
6.0.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can put the value 6.02 to 10 to the power 23. So that much molecules you will have. Okay, so 6 divided by 4, can we say it is something like 1.5? It is something like 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. It will become 6 na. So when you divide this 6 by
Yeah.
4, so it will become 1.5, and 22 by, it is something like 1.4, 1.504 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules or atoms. What should I write? Molecules or atoms?
Molecules. Molecules.
Very good, Vishnu. Vishnu, are you sure? Like
Did
there is,
you?
one second. Vishnu, I'm continuously hearing like there is some bomb blast at your backside. Like
I
bomb, like
think
some.
someone died.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's they do that when someone passes away.
Oh, like kind of salami type. Like
I don't
23.
know what that is, but maybe yeah.
Okay. I got it, Vishnu. Oh my God. Okay, fine. So it is 1.5 itne molecules you just got. Am I right? Yeah,
Yeah.
you were saying
Yeah.
something as well.
No. Yeah. No, I was gonna say yeah.
Okay, so now you have just find out the molecules, fine. But some people also ask, sir, in the question they are asking atoms as well. Oh, so atoms we also have to find out. We have just find out right now molecules only. So just tell me, Vishnu, if we have just find out the molecules, because it was the molecule itself. So one molecule contain, see Vishnu, it is S8. So in the S8
Can
one
you not just
molecule,
divide it by 8 to find the number of atoms?
no. It is actually you have to multiply, not the divide. Because one
Oh.
sulfur, one,
Oh, multiply.
yeah.
No.
Because one sulfur containing eight
Multiply
atoms here,
by.
na. See, Vishnu. This is one molecule. So in this one molecule of sulfur acid, it contains the eight atoms, na. Eight atoms. Because it is S8,
Yeah.
so it containing eight atoms. So whatever the molecule, so you got so many molecules here, so many molecules here,
Mhm.
1.5 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So if one molecule contain eight atoms, so that much molecule contain how much? You know it, Vishnu, according to the formula of S8, one molecule
One
of
eighth.
one molecule is containing 8 atoms of sulfur. One molecule containing
Yes.
8 atoms of sulfur. So you just got that much molecules, like so many. 1.5 into 10
Yeah.
की power 23 molecule. तो अगर एक मोल में इतना आया है, I mean one molecule containing 8 atoms, so that molecules contain how much atoms? 8 into 1.5 into unitary method it is, right? Simple unitary method.
Yeah.
So that much sulfur. Got it? So it will
Oh,
become
that's. Oh, I see. Because that's the okay. That's the Na
unitary
value
method.
here. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Unitary mode.
Just tell me if one toffee, sorry, if what should I say? I have to take one example. Like
Just say chocolate.
one chocolate box, one chocolate box containing 8 chocolates. Okay.
Okay.
So if I say you have the 10 chocolate box, then how much chocolate you will get?
80.
80, because you just multiply na. 10
Yeah.
into 8. Same thing I'm doing. If one molecule is containing 8 atoms of sulfur, S8, 8, one molecule it is, S8. So one sulfur molecule is containing 8 atoms. So obviously that much molecules contain how much?
Okay.
8 into 1.5 molecules, because you have already find out the molecules.
I see. I
Okay.
see. Okay. I understand. I understand now.
Okay. So this is yeah, you have to, so because this is the mole concept, and mole concept you have to find out. Okay, now I am asking a question. Very simple one.
That chocolate box really helped me.
Okay, okay. So if I'm saying 1 second. Okay, 56 gram of nitrogen I have. Only nitrogen, okay? Not the molecule. Nitrogen I have, not the gas.
Mhm.
Gas is in diatom. If I say nitrogen gas, then you have to take N2. But if I'm saying only nitrogen,
It's
then
diatomic.
you have to take N. Okay. So now
Yeah.
you
Okay.
have to tell me how many. So if it is nitrogen only, so I show you have to find out molecule or the atom.
Atom.
Atom. There is no molecule you can find out, because it is not molecule. So you have to
Right.
find out number of atoms. Can you find out in your copy, or you can just tell me? How can we?
Oh. Okay. Okay. So we have to do the given mass over molar mass, right?
Okay, so firstly we are finding out the number of mole given, right? Okay, so we are finding out
Yeah. I
first
think we
mole.
have to.
What is the formula of mole? Given mass divided by
Given mass, molar
divided.
mass.
Yeah, given mass is how much?
56 over 14.
Are you sure nitrogen molar mass is 14?
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Okay,
because yeah.
good, very good. Okay, so how much mole you just got?
Uh, 3. No, four. Sorry,
Four.
4.
Okay, so you got, like, you have the 4 moles, right? So it means in the
Yes,
56
4
gram of
moles.
nitrogen, you have the 4 moles, right? Okay. 1 mole contain
Yeah, but we
Avogadro
have
number
to find
atoms.
the number.
Yeah, 1 mole containing Avogadro
Yes,
number of atoms. So 4 mole
4.
contain how much? That chocolate. 4 moles
4 into
contain how?
Na. 4 into
Yeah,
Na.
4 into Na. So Na means, can we say 4 into
Oh, 6 point.
6.022
Yeah,
into
that
10 ki power 23 atoms, or the molecule?
atoms.
Atoms, because it was not molecule. Okay, got it now?
Yeah,
But
yeah. I got it.
if I, this is the answer, you can just simply multiply. But suppose if I have asked you 56 gram of nitrogen gas, not
So 2
nitrogen.
and 2.
1 second. Yeah. Nitrogen gas. Now, so now what should I say? Atoms or molecule?
Wait, molecules. But what's the formula? What's nitrogen? Is it N2?
Yeah, it is N2. Yes,
Okay.
obviously.
Okay.
So now you can find out both of the thing. Right, I told you na, if it is
Yeah.
molecules, so molecules and atom you can find out, and I have already told you the question. Do you want to try, and I want to check like whether you are right or wrong? Just try it in your copy. It is N2, yes. Just try it in your copy and tell me the answer. I will like then check.
Wait, let me get that.
Yeah, sure.
Give me a second.
Sure. Yes, yes, yes. What do you just said?
Okay, so I need to do 56 times. No, given mass times molar mass.
Okay,
So
so you are finding first mole, obviously.
equals
So
56 over 28. Yeah, it's 2
hmm.
moles.
Okay, so nitrogen gas you already know it is N2, right? So if one nitrogen is 14, so 2 into 14 it will become 28 gram, right? So it means 28 gram, 1 mole is containing 28 gram mass for nitrogen gas. It is the molar mass, na?
Yeah,
So molar mass is always for 1
yeah.
mole. So N2 is containing 28 gram. Okay, so how can we find out the mole? Mole we can find out given mass upon molar mass. How much is the given mass? 56.
56
And
over
how much is
28.
molar mass? Okay, it is the 28. So 56 divided by 28. So how much moles you
It's
will
2
get?
moles.
Yeah, you
2
just got
moles.
the 2 moles. Okay, fine. So now you have the 2 moles. Okay. So now if you have the 2 moles, so just tell me, one,
Times Na.
yeah, so you will get 2 into Na. So after doing 2 into Na, you will get what? Molecules or the atoms?
Molecules. So you're gonna have
So
like 12 point something.
yeah, yeah. So when you just multiply, so you will get 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules, right? Molecules,
Molecules.
yeah, molecules you just got. This is the answer. But if you want to find out atoms, just
You have
tell
to
me,
multiply by 2 again.
yeah, because one molecule of nitrogen contain how many atoms? Yeah, these two. So you can say one molecule is
Yeah,
containing
you
the
have
two
to do.
atoms. Yeah. So obviously,
So it's
so if
24
for
point
one
something.
molecule it is two atoms, so for that much molecule it is how much? Obviously, like that chocolate box
24
example.
point 0.
Yeah, exactly.
24.088 times
So
12.
that will become the number of atoms. Very good, Vishnu.
I
Got
guess
it?
it's math. Yeah.
Yeah, let maths with concept.
Aishu?
Okay.
Okay, I like it. I like it.
Okay. So I hope you can simply do it, okay, by the
Yeah.
molecules and the this thing.
Aishu.
Okay,
Huh.
one second. Your name is Ishu as well?
No, it's.
Okay, okay. I
Mm,
just heard someone is calling Ishu. Okay. Okay, now the next question if I am asking you, okay. Mole concept is very easy actually, okay. So now, suppose if I am giving you like mass, according to mass you can simply find out the molecules, you can simply find out the like atoms as well. So now if I am saying, mm, you have to find out how much molecules would be there in the 0.05 gram of water. How
how many
much?
what?
One second. If you know it, 18 gram of water contain that much molecules. So actually, I want to ask. My question is, how much molecules? How much molecules will be would be there in 0.05 gram of water? How many molecules in 0.05 gram of water? You have to find out.
How many molecules of
Uh,
what of water?
Yes. How many molecules would be there in water if water is 0.05 gram?
Okay, so I have to do given mass over molar mass again, obviously.
As your
Mm,
wish.
0.05
Yeah,
over.
see. 1 second. You can do it like molar mass upon like given mass upon molar mass, but there is another way as well. What? It is called the unitary method. Okay, you already know na H2
Yeah.
water means H2O and H2O mass is 18 gram. 2 plus 16. It is 18 gram, right?
Mm-hmm.
So can
Yeah.
we say that Vishnu 18 gram of water unitary method it is 18 gram of water contain how many molecules? Tell me that have I get a number
Yeah, Na.
6.022. So it is Na molecules it is containing. Okay. So just tell me, for 1 gram of water, how much it will contain?
Point.
Divide it.
Yeah.
Whenever it is the unitary method, na? Okay, so 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 18. So this is for the 1 gram of water. So for how much they are asking? For how much gram?
0.05. So divided by
No,
point zero.
when you find out for the 1 mole, then you have to multiply then. Okay.
Okay.
See. If I am saying, um, in 50 rupees, you will get the 5 chocolate. In 50 rupees, okay, in rate 50, you will get the 5 chocolate only. So just tell me, so how much rupees you will get the 2 chocolates? So
20.
yeah, very simple. But in the mathematics, we have to try to solve it, na? So देखो, can we say that 5 chocolate rate is rate 50? Can we say that? So for 1 chocolate, it is how much?
Yeah.
So 50 divide by 5 you have to do, na?
10 rupees.
10 rupees. So for how much I just ask?
Yeah.
2. तो आप divide करोगे, multiply करोगे? Multiply करोगे ना? Then you will get
Multiply.
20. That's why 2 chocolate 20.
Yeah.
So it means whenever we are finding out for 1 mole, so you have to divide. And then after the one, whatever they are asking, you have to multiply. Got it by this example?
Got it. Yeah.
So this is called the unitary method. So firstly, find out for one, and whatever they are asking for, just multiply it by that. So it will become
I see. Okay.
6.022. This is called unitary method. Unitary. Divide by 18 and then multiply by 0.05. So you will get your answer. Without using mole formula, you can also apply unitary method. Are you getting what I'm saying? Vishnu, are you
Hmm.
there?
I'm here.
Vishnu, I can't hear. Okay. So after solving it, you will get approximately
I'm here. I'm here.
0.0167 into 10 to the power 23. That is the molecules which is
Yep.
present in 0.05. Now, Vishnu, you have to tell me, you can
Okay.
use calculator as of now. Okay. Suppose if I have,
Okay.
okay, I am asking you 10 raised to power minus 18 gram of carbon you have. Carbon. So carbon is, I am saying, so
Okay.
it, you will say it is for molecule or atom only. If
It's
I'm,
atom.
yeah, for atom only. So yes, find out the number of atom for this. Find out the number of atom present
Num.
in 10 raised to power minus 18 gram of carbon.
Okay. Well, I
Write in
have
your
to
copy.
do molar mass,
No, no,
given
no, no,
mass, minus
no, no,
mole,
no.
given mass mole.
You know it. You have already studied mole concept. But I want you to apply unitary method as well. Now apply the unitary
Okay.
method.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't do it by mole concept. You already learned that. Now do it by unitary method.
Wait, should I do but the unit? Okay. Okay. Okay.
That unitary method which we
Um.
just discussed above.
Yeah. I understand. I understand. 6 point. Um. 6.022. Oh wait, I'm not. Oh crap! I forgot to do this. Whoa. Nope, that's not right. It's carbon, so it's just 12, isn't it?
12.
Wait, 12.
12
It's 12.
atoms.
Oh wait, no, it's just
How can it
yeah.
be 12
It's
atoms
12.
only?
It's 12 grams. 12 grams.
Oh, 12 gram.
Yeah.
Okay. What 12 gram?
One atom of carbon is 12 grams.
Oh. Vishnu, what are you doing? Why did you find out for one atom?
No, one
Vishnu.
gram.
Okay, okay. I'm telling. Acha, acha, acha. Okay, okay, okay. For 1 gram of carbon, you just find out the number of atoms, right?
Yeah, I think I think. Shit.
Oh my
I think
gosh.
I'm ready for the answer.
Okay, okay. See, see, see,
Yeah,
see.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm telling you. Okay, don't worry at all.
It's wait.
Carbon. One
I
second.
had the answer. I had the correct
Okay,
answer.
okay, okay. Tell me then. Yeah,
Can I say it? It's
yeah,
6.022 times 10 to the 23rd over 12 times 10 to the negative 18th.
yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, completely right. Yeah,
Okay,
you
cool.
should have calculated that
Yeah.
well. But okay. See,
Oh,
one
okay, I'll do
carbon,
that.
one carbon weight is 12 gram, right, Vishnu? So can
Yeah.
we say that 12 gram of carbon contain how much atoms? Obviously, 6.022 10 raised to power 23, right?
Hmm.
That much atoms it has. You already know that, right? According to that table. Okay.
Hmm.
So for 1 gram of carbon, how much it will contain? Obviously,
Yeah.
6.022 10 to power 23 divide by. Firstly, we have to divide now
Yeah.
for one finding out for 1 gram. So we have to divide. Now, how much they are asking? For 10 raised to power
Okay.
18 gram के लिए पूछ रहा है. So we can do it 6.022 into 10 की power 23 divide by 12 into 10 raised to power 18. So after the calculation, we will get
Negative
what?
18.
So we cancel out. It is like something 2, and it is 10 ki power 18. It is 23. So 23 and 18, and if you give the 10 to this side, it is something like 5.018 into 10 ki power 4 atoms.
5.
No, 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 no. 10 I have
4.
taken this
Okay.
side. 10. Yeah, you are saying
Okay.
10 ki power 5, but 10 I have taken this side, so that it will become 0.22. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I see.
So,
Yeah.
so you can just use the calculator as well for finding out that. Okay. So this is
Okay.
the
Okay.
mole concept.
Yeah.
Okay. And I guess you just got the basic idea how to solve these.
Okay.
Okay. So in the next class, we will continue the topic of mole concept because this is very important and the main portion. In the next class, we will continue this with some finding out the strength of solution like the molarity, normality, molality. Okay, these are the very important concept like mole fraction as well. Molarity,
Okay.
normality, molality, and the mole fraction. Okay, we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so it's all for the today. See you in the
Okay.
next class. Bye bye.